A company fills boxes with approximately 23 pounds of oranges. To test the accuracy of the filling process, 344 boxes of oranges were selected at random and weighed. Based on the sample, it was estimated that the average weight of the boxes of the oranges filled by the company in an 8-hour period is 23.1 pounds, with an associated margin of error of 0.19 pounds. Which of the following is the best interpretation of this estimate? So we have a sample of boxes, 344 boxes, and the company found that the average was 23.1 pounds with an associated margin of 0.19 pounds. So what that means is that the average is 23.1, but it is plausible that the actual average could be 0.19 greater than 23.1 or 0.19 less than 23.1. That's what the margin of error means, that this is like the tolerance. This is how much the actual measured value could vary, 0.19 greater or 0.19 less than what they measured. So in this case, they measured 23.1. So to find the range of the margin of error, we can use our calculator and add and subtract 0.19 from 23.1. So 23.1 plus 0.19 is equal to 23.29, and 23.1 minus 0.19 is equal to 22.91. So between these two values, it is plausible that the actual average of the sample of boxes actually is. So if we read the answer choices, A says plausible values for the average weight of the boxes filled by the company are between 22.91 pounds and 23.29 pounds. That's correct. That's what we found here. So this is likely the correct answer. The actual average is between these two. B says plausible values for the average weight of all the boxes of oranges filled by the company are less than 22.91 or greater than 23.29. This is incorrect because this is saying the plausible average is less than 22.91 and greater than 23.29, which is the range of numbers outside of the tolerance range. What we want is the range of numbers inside this range. So B is incorrect. The average weight of the boxes filled by the company is less than 23.01. This is incorrect. This is the measured, 23.1 is in between this range. That's true, but it is possible that the average could be as high as 23.29. So it doesn't have to be less than 23.01. It can actually be greater. D says the average weight of all boxes of oranges filled by the company is greater than 23.01. This is also incorrect because we know that the average can be as low as 22.91, so it can be less than 23.01. So only A is correct.